Hello everybody! Today the screencast is going to be about using the sharing tool on Google Slides. So to begin, how many of you guys dread group projects simply because one person, usually yourself, normally ends up doing all of the work? Well, me too. Hello all, my name is Sarah Rossi and the purpose of this screencast is to provide you with a way to collaborate on group projects outside of the classroom. So now let me show you the easy steps to sharing your group work, and be sure to follow along as I'm going through it. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step processes of sharing a presentation on Google Slides with partners or team members in order to allow collaboration on a piece of work to happen outside of the classroom after you guys have already started working or continued working. And this tool will hopefully make group projects a little less stressful because it will allow you to do your part of the assignment on your own and at your own pace. So now for the purpose of this assignment, we'll just go ahead and assume that everybody that's in the group has already made a Google account and a Google Drive. And so with this being done beforehand, you'll start in your Google Drive. Okay, so in the top left-hand corner, you should see a blue button labeled New. And so I'm in my Drive, and here is my blue button labeled New, and so you'll click there, and then as it shows the drop-down menu, you'll go down to the Google Slides with the yellow icon, and from here you'll be starting your Google presentation. And so I just went ahead and I started one and labeled it Screencasting 101 for this assignment. And so at this point, you and your team members would work together on getting all of the assignment done that you can in class. And then it is time to share it. So from here, in order to do that, you'll just go to the top right-hand corner of your screen where you see this share button. Okay, so you'll click there, and a screen will pop up and it will ask you to enter names or email addresses. And this is where you'll enter your partner's Gmail addresses. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter one from one of my friends that I normally work with on assignments. And like I said, I went ahead and put her Gmail address. So now if you look to the end of that bar where you enter the email addresses, you should see this pencil icon. So the pencil icon indicates that anyone you share the presentation with has the ability to edit it, which is what you want when you're working on a group project. Because if you can see, there are other options like can comment and can view, but when it comes to group projects, you want them to be able to edit it. So once you've done this, you'll go down to the bottom blue button that says Send. And your presentation will be shared and emailed to everyone's Gmail addresses that you entered, just like that. So just to be sure that the process was clear, we're going to wrap up with the last step of sharing, and then we're going to review the steps that we discussed, okay? So the very last thing you want to do is to have your team members go ahead and check their Gmail accounts and their Gmail emails and be sure that they received that invitation to edit the presentation before you guys go your separate ways, just to make sure everyone has the presentation readily available to them. So with that being said, to review the steps to sharing, the first thing you're going to want to do is click New, indicated with the big blue and New button that we found in the top left-hand corner. You'll select Google Slides, and then you'll create your presentation and work on it as y'all can throughout class. Then you'll click the Share button, again, a big blue button in the top right-hand corner this time. And you'll add the Gmail addresses of your partners and team members. And then you'll make sure to allow partners to edit the presentation by using this icon with the pencil and clicking the edit option. And then you'll click Done. That's it. Finally, group projects have been made easy and everybody can work at their own pace. But wait, it does get better. Although we used the sharing tool through Google Slides, all the other applications on Google Drive can be shared this way as well, so Google Docs and Google Sheets. How awesome is that? So that's all I have for you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for following along with me. And our last little piece of information is our copyright details with our pictures. Thank you.